Jessie here from Sustainability Made Easier with your easy action of the day. Today's easy action is repair, don't replace. In 2017, 37.2 million tons of durable goods ended up in landfills in the United States. This accounted for 26.7% of total landfilling that year. Durable goods are products generally designed to last 3 or more years. Textiles, including old garments, added up to another 11% of items landfilled in the US in 2017. They made up an almost additional 17 million tons of the municipal solid waste generated that year. It's pretty apparent that we have a waste problem. This is tied to an underlying consumption problem. We've lost the desire and knowledge to repair things. As a result, when something is kind of on the fritz or just needing some mending, we tend to get rid of it, send it to the landfill, and go get something new. Landfill disposal has many negative environmental impacts, such as reduction in land area for other purposes, including natural areas, a large release of methane, CH4, a greenhouse gas from the landfill, and a potential for groundwater contamination through leaching, although appropriate design techniques can minimize this risk. And remember, this final disposal of the product is only a small part of the actual materials used to generate this product. It had to be created, manufactured, and shipped, and all of that added to its environmental footprint before it even gets to you. Although slightly down since 1990, there's been a 22% per capita increase in municipal solid waste generation since 1980 based on the 2015 data. Each person in the US produces about 4.5 pounds of municipal solid waste per day. And this just isn't a problem here in the US, but worldwide. So, what can we do? Repair rather than replace is one great place to start. Set aside some time each month to repair rather than to go shopping. Of course, you don't need to repair every single thing that breaks. Sometimes it makes more sense to replace rather than repair, such as if the repair is going to cost more than replacing the item, or if you need to repair or replace an old item that if you were to get a new one would have way less energy consumption, you may just want to opt for the new version. It is so often that the repairs needed though are just really cheap and really quick, and we just need to get back into the habit of making those simple repairs. And remember, a replacement cost is more than monetary. It includes all those things we talked about before: the creation, the manufacture, the shipping of the product, the time you spend going to shop for it, bringing it home to your house, and then also your time in disposing of your old product. There are tons of resources if you just have access to the internet to help you repair broken items around your house. YouTube, of course, is a really great place, but there's lots of other guides and DIY tips available online. Check out the moldable glue, Sugru. It has information on the website about how to use it to repair lots of different things, and also lots of other tips. Your local library probably has subscriptions, either electronic or paper, to all kinds of repair manuals and guides. Definitely check with your local library for information. It's a great idea to check with the manufacturer for a replacement piece before you decide to trash an item. Visit a Repair Café or Restart Party. These are places where community members get together for free and work together to repair broken items. Check to see if there's a local business owner that will repair your items for you. Here in the US, auto parts stores generally have loaner tools available. You can get these tools to use and then combine it with your online research for getting tips on how to repair an item and make repairs to your vehicle. Another great idea is to repair barter with your friends. Maybe you're really good at sewing but really bad with working with wood, but you have a broken table. Maybe your friend has a pair of pants they need hemmed or altered. Just get together and work it out. My son has repaired a lot of old clunky computers by taking out the old hard drive and putting in a solid state drive. It was amazing. The computers ran basically like new machines. Another really important thing that we often overlook is maintenance of the items we own, whether this is washing your clothes according to the manufacturer's recommendations or maintaining the tire pressure in your car. All those annoying things that we tend to skip actually really impact the longevity and quality of our products. If we set aside a little bit of time and money to maintain the items we already own, they'll perform a lot better for a lot longer. And from a financial perspective, this will probably work in your favor. This is important for businesses. Sometimes they don't have budgets allocated for maintenance, but they do for new purchases. Make sure your business has money set aside for maintaining items rather than just for purchasing new ones. When you go to purchase an item, try to get one that's going to be worth keeping around for a long time and worth repairing. This repair versus replace mentality can even be applied to buildings and land. Maybe you don't need to clear an area to build a house or build your business, and you can revitalize an existing space. When an item comes to the end of its useful life cycle and you really just cannot repair it, see if you can recycle it or reuse it in some new way. Want to do more? Share this info. Make a YouTube video teaching others how to do repairs, simple to complex. Volunteer at a school to teach kids how to repair household items. Host a potluck or barbecue. Have your friends bring over their broken things and see how many you guys can repair while you're hanging out. Alright, the weekend is almost here. Set aside some time to repair something, or at least look into seeing if it can be repaired rather than going out and going shopping for something new. There's more on this subject on my website, sustainabilitymadeeasier.com. Also, check out episode 15 of my podcast, Sustainability Made Easier. That's it, our easy action of the day. Repair, don't replace. Thanks so much for watching.